This is outside.
Yeah.
No, I think Ahmed,
Yes.
this
There is in the building.
inside the building, hypochloritosis. Hypochloritosis. It is written separately.
Yeah, but only the ventilation we need to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Air conditioned.
No, that's okay. Not required. Pressure,
Required ventilation is provided.
but it's very small pump.
No, not for pump purpose, for storage.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes there are,
So you want to record here?
yeah, sometimes
High ambient temperature.
fumes are there, yeah, all these things are
High-
there. You have
See,
to.
we are not discussing here, you are using different chemicals.
Yeah.
We are separate,
All right.
like, the drainage should not mix each other. That also chlorine and citric acid, that is different hazardous things.
Yeah.
So it's part of this also in the composition.
Composition we can take care. I'm putting the high temperature here.
Two chemicals, citric acid and
Chlorine.
chlorine.
They are compatible. Acids are compatible with each other.
Chlorine?
Compatible. Acid should be compatible with each other. Acid and base.
Other is handling.
That we have to recommend.
Because polymer also is putting the same, right?
No, polymer is separate.
Here,
Potential impact on initial
you need to have the hazardous chemical, MSDS,
and drainage shade. HVAC.
that SOP.
Yeah. HVAC system in the building. And then I have to take their point about. I will put in other
Composition.
or leakage. We can say put in leakage.
Part of leakage.
Leakage. Yeah. Other I will put other leakage.
There is